Friends, you know watermelon is a surprisingly healthy fruit. It has a high water content and also delivers several important nutrients, including lycopene and vitamin C. These nutrients mean that watermelon is not only a tasty low-calorie treat, it's also very good for your health. Today, we will make a quick and hassle-free watermelon juice. All we need a juicer machine, that's all. As you know, watermelon contains 92% water. We will not mix water. First step is cut the watermelon into medium slices. And we will remove the seeds as many as we can. Then we will put the watermelon slices into a clean juicer. A 30-second mixing will be enough to get the raw juice. Then we will add some drops of lemon to get the awesome lime flavor. Then you may add 2 to 3 raw mint leaves if you want to get a refreshing taste. And finally, we are adding 1 tablespoon of jaljeera powder, which is easily available in any of your nearby grocery shop. And there it is. Now you know the next step already. We will mix it for another 30 seconds. The final step is to separate the remaining pulps from the juice with the help of an extractor. And there you are. Now finally, our delicious refreshing watermelon juice is ready to serve. So friends, if you like this healthy watermelon refreshing juice, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to share with your beloved people. Thank you for tuning Utopian Days.